Hello, welcome back to the channel, and we've got some barn finds today. But before we look at them, remember, like and subscribe, leave comments, and tell us what you think. Anyway, back to what we barn finds. Right, we'll start up here. We've got a JAP 6. Got this as it is, no mag.
Good answer. It's better.
Got a bit of compression there, so that's good. That's how it came. I'm giving it a bit of a clean up, blow off with the old air compressor. So that's number one. 1956, this one. Looking at the engine number, which is just down there. Secondly, we've got a 55, a JAP 55. This one's 1957. The only thing that's missing is the magneto, which is a bit of a bugger, but hopefully we'll find one. So, as you can see, it turns overlays. And if you come around the back here, we've also got a fuel pump on it. And I do believe this come off a Mancave Harris, probably a straw baler. See, that's working. Point nice and free. I think it's a low compression engine, but someone's put this filler's tank on it, but that's all going to come off. So I'm going to start doing that up. Secondly, on our barn find collection, another JAP 6. This one, 1952. And she turns out this one's got quite a bit of compression in it. And it was the only one that had a mag. So the idea is, this is the one that's going to be done up. This one here is going to be the donor one, because we've got a carb and it's all spelled. So we had to do that, carb, exhaust, get the mag sorted, get this all sprayed up, cleaned up, and I think we'll have a good motor out of that one. So yeah, tell us what you know about this, if you've seen a JAP 55, especially anything that concerns Mancave Harris, as we're in the same colour, and like with this fuel tank, this fuel pump here, looks like it had an external fuel pump out the way. It's also got a tractor air filter on the back, plus an upright exhaust. So there we go. What I'll just grab the camera and you can have a better look. There we go. So this is the JAP 6. This is going to be the donor machine. As you can see, we've got the carb, everything we need on it. It's a later one, but it should be alright. They're interchangeable. There's the engine number, 6V, tells us it's 1956 V for 56 with the 6 in front. So there's that one. The JAP 5. See, it's virtually all complete apart from the magneto, which needs a twin output, but as you can see, big old flywheel, everything there, magnet, carburetor. Overall, not bad condition, original paintwork. And the thing I like most about this is this here, the old, that's what makes me think it's used as on a straw baler. Mancave Harris one is with that. So yeah, there's a fuel pump which works. I have given it a little clean down, but not too much. So that's that, and the one we're going to do up, it's got the old Rico type mag, the old one. So that's quite good, got that. So yeah, so we've got that fuel bowl underneath. So that's the one we're going to do up, and that's a 1952. Oh, there's our engine number, just there, M6Y. So M, not sure, 6 because it's a JAP 6, and Y because it's 1952. Right, I hope you like this little video, and remember, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.